everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Princess Peppa Pig family. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Peppa Pig. Mommy Pig. Daddy Pig.
And a very hungry king.
George Pig. Amazing. I love my pen. Wow, brave knight. Granny Pig. And a cook. Grandpa Pig. I love my pen.
Naughty Granny Pig.
Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Peppa's favorite things include playing games, dressing up, days out and jumping in muddy puddles. Granny Pig,
Peppa? George?
George Pig, Wild Brave Knight, Granny Pig, Grandpa Pig, and along came a wizard.
A wizard?
Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red, yellow, orange, light green, light blue, purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.